Thank you for registering for our free series for the 90-day Small Business Transformation Workshop. Right now, what I'm going to show you is our process from taking our customers from white belt to black belt and how we measure that. So let's look at here. When we go to a customer, a small business, we're hoping they already have their strategy, their plan, their target market, their business name, their long and short-term goals. That's where we start. You can't start and have a video if you don't have the basics in place. So goal setting is so important for a small business owner. Getting your mind around what my strategy is, who I'm targeting. That's where we start. Moving into the yellow belt, we go over, review your websites, and let's look at it. Is it made for lead generation? Does it have video? Is it interactive? Do you have a dynamic logo for branding? And at least one presentation that you go out for sales calls and things like that. The next belt is our orange belt. That means our clients already have a strategy in place, their website's good to go with lead gen mechanisms, they have a good logo. Now they have social media, they have an email campaign, they're doing list building activities. It's a pretty good, strategy to get your business going. The next you move into blue belt. That means our customers have a website, a strategy, presentation, social media. Now they're adding blogs and credibility documents like white papers or case studies or customer testimonies. They're starting to do AdWords and customer referral programs. And then we move them into red. You see, this is a step-by-step process. You don't want to put the cart before the horse. You want to start at white and slowly move your way into that black belt phase. You don't want to have a video before you have a website. See how this is making sense? So our ultimate goal at Confusos in this workshop that we really would like for you to attend is that we're going to get you from white belt to black belt within 90 days with a small business transformation. Black belt, our customers have video, customer testimonies, e-commerce, online learning platforms. I mean, they are ready to do business. We have turned their small business into a marketing machine. And that's our ultimate goal in the 90-day small business transformation. We literally can take you from white belt to black belt in 90 days. So sign up for our workshop. We'd love to have you. On the right, you sign up to get more information. We'll contact you when the next workshop starts. I believe we have one in a few weeks and 10 spaces left. So please register. We'd love to have you, and we want to help you catapult your business into the next generation. Let us do that. Sign up for our free course, and we look forward to working with you.